India is having a varied situation in different parts. Sometimes in the same year and simultaneously we face drought in one part and flood in other part. So it is very difficult to control the situation. If we consider water, it gives us life and takes our life from us also. Only the amount that matters, the abundance or the absence. This year, we are having a problem of drought. The lesser amount of rainfall is received this year, sometimes 56% in the central India, 20% deficit in rainfall in West Bengal. So the eastern part is in better situation. We are not severely affected this year. But in West Bengal, the cultivation of jute is under threat. During the month of April and May, the situation was worsened. So I request the Minister to take necessary steps so that the farmers can get some benefit at least. Recently, there is a move between Central Groundwater Board and Indian Institute of Remote Sensing to survey the situation of the lands. And for that, only 100 crores have been proposed. And that is restricted to the northern India. So I request the Minister that the move between these two institutes should be extended all over the country so that the benefits can be extended to all the farming communities of this country. This year, the drought situation is alarming. It is expected that a El Nino may hit coming soon. So a lot of problems we are facing. If we categorize these problems, then these are crop management. In the crop management area, what is urgently required, that is the introduction of the crop diversification. We are traditionally growing rice, wheats, etc. But it is the time to adopt different types of crops so that the loss faced by the farmers be minimized. Among these crops, legume crops, arhar, teal, castor, soybean, these are some of the crops that can be grown with less amount of water. Then water management, another important factor. Day by day we are facing scarcity of water. So this is a problem for next years to come. For this, better management practice is required. We need to grow those crops that requires less water, those crops that having the deep root system, so that they can tap water from the deeper region of the soil. So the research directed to those areas where less water consuming crops can be grown satisfactorily to cater the needs of the farming community of this country. Then some institutional supports that extremely required. in form of credit facilities extending to the farming communities. Sometimes huge amount of investment is required in the allied sectors, and obviously the crop insurance. These are some of the major areas that needs to be addressed, and that should be taken into consideration by the ministry. One important institute that is situated in Hyderabad, CREDA, Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture. It has only center at Hyderabad, not other parts of this country. So I urge upon the minister to look into the matter, to set up different branches and some of the offices and research institutes under this premier institute in different parts of this country where the similar kind of edaphic and climatic factors prevails. Say, for example, in case of West Bengal, there are some districts like Purulia and Bankura where dry land is there, water scarcity is there. The government can set up a center of CREDA there so that the farmers of that area can utilize the expertise generated from this center. Another important aspect, that is the introduction of micro-irrigation system. What we are using right now is the flood irrigation system, pitcher irrigation system, but the micro-irrigation system is one of the major ways to mitigate the problem. If we introduce this micro-irrigation at large scale, then we can make better use efficiency of the water, and we can save water for our future generation. DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation, is another important project of the Government of India, where dredging spending for last 66 years. Just after independence, the dam was constructed, the project was launched, and still dredging was not adopted to make the recovery. If this siltation is not taking place, then the capacity of the reservoir becomes small. But due to repeated siltation, the problem aggravates, and it is a frequent occurrence of flood in most part of West Bengal and adjacent states. So I urge upon the minister to look into the matter so that at least the dredging of DVC canal should be taking place. Another important aspect, that is in my constituency, one river Ichamoti and Churni, their bed is at high level. And each and every year, the people of this area is affected by floods. So if the government is taking necessary steps to dredge the river, then the people of the area will be benefited more. With these few words and expectation from the ministry to look into the matter, I am concluding.